Every year, 4 Sundays before Christmas night, we light the big Christmas tree in the city of Copenhagen, in the center of Copenhagen, right in front of the Copenhagen City Hall. It's a wonderful tradition. We did it for 95 years now, and we'll do it every year. And a lot of Copenhageners and a lot of tourists will gather around us to see the tree get lit by Santa Claus, who will crawl into the big firefighter ladder and make sure that there will be light at the City Hall Square all through December. And this year it's been cold, it's been freezing, it's even been snowing, so it's the perfect start of a wonderful December month. And I know that all the Copenhageners love walking by this beautiful tree and get reminded that it's December and it will soon be Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. håber på, at det bliver en rigtig dejlig hvid jul. Men én ting er i hvert fald helt sikkert, at lige om lidt, så kommer der lys i det store juletræ igen. Og julemanden, han er på vej op.